Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? Let us find the first one. First we will find the monomials. 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 Binomials. Binomials. Trinomials. Trinomials. And the last one is polynomials. Polynomials that do not fit in any of these categories are right. First of all, we find the monomials. You see, this is monomial. This is 1000. This is one monomial, right? Another monomial is PQR. See this one, PQR. This is another monomial. We find the binomial x plus y, one binomial, and find another binomial. For z, that is this one, 4z minus 15z square minus 15z square is another binomial. 2p plus 2q, 2p plus 2q, 2p plus 2q, another binomial. Let us find p square q, p square q, p square q plus qp square plus q p square. 1, 2, 3, 4 binomials. Let us find the trinomials. 1, 2, 3, that is 7 plus y plus 5x. This is trinomial. Y 7 plus y plus 5x. This one 2y minus 3y square, 2y minus 3 square plus 4y cube plus 4y cube. This is another trinomial. Let us find another, that is 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. This is also another trinomial. Is there any trinomial? 1, 2, 3 trinomials are there. No. Now, polynomials that do not fit in any of these categories, that is, they are neither monomial, nor binomial, nor trinomial. That is this one, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and also this one, that is x plus x square plus x cube plus x4. These polynomials do not fit any of these categories, right? That means there are two monomials, binomial 1, 2, 3, 4 binomials, and trinomials 1, 2, 3, and these two are polynomials that do not fit in any of these categories. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.